my channel where we discuss everything and all things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. One of the things that is now trending among some of the so-called activists, Sowore and Adeyanju, is to claim that Peter Obi worked for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2023 presidential election, and that he's going to work for Bola Ahmed Tinubu again in 2027. That's the most senseless and reprehensible kind of logic I've ever seen. But they keep on going on with it. But what that thing reveals to me is basically that these two people are actually doing what they are accusing Peter Obi of doing. You see them in fixated attacks on Peter Obi. Ask Sowore about anything that concerns Nigeria today. If he condemned the government of the day one time, he will condemn Peter Obi 3 times. And he claimed to be an opposition leader. Peter Obi is not in government. But what that tells me also is that they themselves acknowledge that Peter Obi was the man that carried the day in 2023. You hardly see them attack Atiku Abubakar the way they attack Peter Obi. They don't do that because they know the truth. Adeyanju is even the worst. How people take him serious, I don't understand. But he keep on coming up with illogic that Peter Obi work for Aswaj. Aswaj is a political strike. If he work for Aswaj, why is Aswaj mad with his governor, Sanwo-Olu? That's Aswaj is now investigating Sanwo-Olu. Why is he mad with Sanwo-Olu? Why is he mad with Sanwo-Olu? As strategic as he was, he's now claiming that Sanwo-Olu gave money to Peter Obi. That Peter Obi Aswaj, and that Sanwo-Olu funded Peter Obi, funded Atiku Abubakar. So if they are working, if Peter Obi is working for Atiku, I worked for Tinubu, why should he be mad? Why should he be mad? I'm asking. That Sanwo-Olu funded Peter Obi, which was utter rubbish. Sanwo-Olu funded Atiku Abubakar. These were some of the things that are coming out in recent times. But what is not in dispute is that Sanwo-Olu himself went to court to accuse EFCC of planning to take him out after he handed over power in 2027. And he accused EFCC of harassing his aides to implicate him. A case was filed in court on that. That's the fact. So if Tinubu recruited Peter Obi to work for him, why was he mad? Why did he feel betrayed that Sanwo-Olu funded Peter Obi? Why is the FCC after Sanwo-Olu? And why did Sanwo-Olu run to the court to take cover? You see how illogic the argument that Peter Obi worked for us, Tinubu. Why should Peter Obi, if he had worked for Tinubu, why is Tinubu angry? Why did he feel betrayed according to reports. And I'm sure Sahara Reporters owned by Sowore has also seen that report, if he had not even carried it too. So how can somebody who you recruited to work for you are angry they release money to him, and you say that your governor betrayed you? Does it make sense? We know what is happening. What is happening is because Peter Obi is the cash cow for the opposition. So if you want to show Tinubu that you are working for him, just be attacking Peter Obi. Even if you attack him, attack Peter Obi too. It has given jobs to a lot of people. It has given job to Reno Mokri. Attacking Peter Obi has given job to Reno Mokri, including the Minister Ambassadorial job, has said. It has given job to Daniel Boala. Soon it will give job to Adeyanju. And Sowore, he said he has always been close to Tinubu. So they know how they will meet, and he will be taken care of if he's not taken care of already. So these are the same people who are telling you that Peter Obi work for Tinubu. And some people who probably are unreasonable will believe that kind of a logic. It doesn't make sense. What worked for Peter Obi and will still work for him in 2027 is because of Peter Obi's penchant for transparency and accountability. He was not a stealing governor when he was governor. He ran a transparent government. He left millions of dollars in the coffers of his state. He was not owing workers' salaries. He was not owing any contractors. He increased the allocation of the state. He saved a lot of money that made Anambra the envy of other states in terms of putting money aside for the future. And above all, he did not steal Anambra State's money because he was not a thief. And he cannot start stealing at this stage. Nigerians believe that hand over the treasure of Nigeria, you are going to see a Nigeria, a new Nigeria. Because Peter Obi will not steal Nigeria's money. And he will be very prudent in the management of Nigerian money. He will not be extravagant, and he will not like his cabinet to be extravagant. He will not steal. Because he will not steal, members of his cabinet will not steal our money. These are the things that made people to support him. These were the things that made Nigerians, despite the fact that he had no governors backing him, no state governors on his side. Labour Party had no governor at the time Peter Obi ran for president in 2022. But he dusted many states with incumbent governors. He dusted the APC in APC heartland in Lagos. He dusted the PDP in the PDP heartland in Delta State. In the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, he dusted the PDP and the APC and became the numero uno, claiming overwhelming vote. Nobody came close. Nobody get 25% except Peter Obi, who got over 70% of the vote cast in the Federal Capital Territory. He embarrassed Bola Ahmed Tinubu everywhere in southern Nigeria, including River State, where the BBC and the Premium Times, their tabulation showed that it was Peter Obi that won, but INEC announced a different thing altogether. I said that it was Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So what are we talking about? Peter Obi's movement is organic. That is true. Look at how Peter Obi's intervention in Quadri, Alabi's case, led to a new life, a new lease of life for the young man and his family. Can Sowore or Adeyanju be able to galvanize Nigerians for a simple thing like that? They can't. Even Tinubu cannot. Even if Tinubu is to galvanize it, people will just donate because of political interest. But you look at what happened to Quadri Alabi. Ordinary Nigerians, members of the obedient movement, they changed his life and the life of his family. That's the Peter Obi effect that you're going to see play out again in 2027. So it is totally illogic, totally irresponsible to say that Peter Obi worked for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the last election. It's an insult on the intelligence of millions of Nigerians who voted for Peter Obi and are still ready to vote for him again in 2027. I don't know what to think about this illogic being spread by Adeyanju and Sowore that Peter Obi worked for Tinubu and is going to work for Tinubu again. Total badadash. What have you to say about it? What is your position on that position? Let us hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.